Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a proper roux because it's the backbone of bechamel. Heat a medium pan to medium, melt 2 tablespoons of butter until it foams, not brown, so flavor stays clean. Once done, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and whisk constantly. This cooks off the raw starch and prevents pasty texture. Keep stirring for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture smells slightly toasted. Make sure to maintain even heat so the roux stays smooth and pale. This sets the stage for a silky sauce. You now convert roux into sauce by adding warm milk slowly so the starch hydrates without clumping. Heat 2 cups of milk until just below simmer and pour a small splash into the roux while whisking vigorously. Once incorporated, add the rest in 2 more additions. This gradual method gives you control over thickness. After all milk is in, simmer gently and stir frequently for 4 to 6 minutes until the sauce thickly coats a spoon. Taste and season with salt, white pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg to enhance balance. You finish the bechamel by removing from heat and whisking in 1 tablespoon of butter for shine and silkiness, and optionally strain into your serving pan for a perfectly smooth finish. If the sauce is too thin, simmer gently to reduce and thicken. Make sure to stir so it doesn't stick. If it's too thick, temper it by whisking in warm milk 1 tablespoon at a time until you reach the right consistency. If lumps form, immediately push the sauce through a fine sieve and rewarm while whisking to recover smoothness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.